Hello guys and welcome to another David Zambaleta. My name is Serge. In this video, I would like to show you guys my brand new launch X431 PRO3S Plus Elite Diagnostic Scan Tool, which comes with 2 years of free updates. After the updates run out, it's going to continue on working, and it also has 60 plus services. On top of that, it's got J2534 coding. And of course, it's got map typology. It also can scan trucks, like semi trucks and stuff like that. It can really do a lot. So I'm still learning about this unit, so let me just read what it says. But anyways, as you could see, it's a $1,439 unit. It's got a 190 coupon that you could use at checkout. In a 2025 new update, launch X431 PRO3S Elite SmartlinkC 2.0 all-in-one professional bi-directional scanner. Look at some of the things that it does. I mean, you could just, clearly see this picture. And basically, oh my gosh, the very first thing you see is J2534 coding. That's stuff that the dealers do. Now, you could do it at home. OEM typology mapping. You got 60 plus special functions. Also, you got VGA guided AutoAuth for FCA, SGW, whatever that is, 12-in-1 data stream, super remote diagnostics, heavy duty scan optional, Renault SGW access exclusive. Interesting. And of course, you get 2-year free updates. And going down here, there's additional mouthful of information. And it's up to you to look it up. But let's take a look at the important stuff. J2534 coding supports multiple vehicle network communication protocols and remote diagnostics and protocols, and allows the vehicle's electronic control unit ECU to protocols or firmware update. Please note, J2534 coding is a separate driver that needs to be downloaded from the launch official website. The decoder cannot be used directly. Please download and use it according to the following PDF document. So, yes, you're gonna need a laptop, okay? Download it and then connect it to the laptop, and you could do some some of that coding right there. So that's really cool that it is supported. So additionally, support J2534/D-PDU/CAN 2.0 CANFD/DOIP protocols, D-PWU protocols for HD trucks. You don't need to buy additional devices, only need to purchase the software for specific heavy-duty truck models. You need D-PDU allows to access real-time ECU data, work efficiently in intelligent diagnosing and fixing faults, makes different devices compatible with each other. DOIP/CANFD for Land Rover/Jaguar, BMW, FG, Chassis, GM, etc. So this is kind of cool. I do have basically a Land Rover, which is a Range Rover. I do have the BMW, which is a X5. So that is definitely good for me. And BMWs, you could do a lot of coding. So that's kind of cool. OEM technology, OEM typology mapping, the structure and logic of the complex electronic system inside the vehicle through different colors can effectively support fault diagnosis and system optimization. All-in-one system, the ability to decode not only generic but also OE specific codes, which is OEM specific codes, ensures comprehensive analysis, precise detection, and accurate troubleshooting. Advanced ECU coding, component matching, unlock advanced functions, ECU, module replacement, flash hidden functions, optimize driving quality, and formulate personalized settings to obtain preferences. 7, bidirectional control. Send instructions directly from the scan tool to the vehicle, greatly reducing your repair time and quickly pinpoint fault locations. 8. 100 plus hot services for all global vehicles and 300 plus advanced special functions for specific vehicles. Wide vehicle coverage and 25 plus languages. Supports Launch X431 PRO3S plus Elite SmartlinkC 2.0 is suitable for 200 plus brands, 200,000 plus models worldwide from 1996 till 2025. Works with all OBD1 and OBD2 cars 1996 to 2025, including cars, hybrid vehicles, NAV cars, need to buy NAV software, SUVs, minivans, 12 volt and 36 volt trucks, class 4 and 8 heavy duty trucks, etc. 25 plus languages are supported. AutoAuth for FCA / SGW, AutoAuth for FCA / SGW aims to strengthen the security of the vehicle's network by automating the security verification processes while providing a more convenient and professionalized smart connected car experience. Additional features: auto VIN scan plus one-click update plus 12-in-1 data stream plus diagnostic report and print plus DTC help and Google search plus PMI functions plus VAG guided. Over 10 extension modules. Launch X431 PRO3S Elite SmartLink C 2.0 can be used with varied of expansion tools, ADS calibration, TS, GUN, PTM, well, basically TS gun, I think, TPMS tool, ES200 installation, O2-2 Scopobox, 12/24V truck module, BST360 battery tester, S2-2 sensor box video scope, etc. 13. X431 Fix. Launch X431 Fix provides information on a vehicle repair and technical details. It automatically identifies your VIN and guides you through the system topology. With module simulation, you can check each module to determine if it has any faults. For example, if you select the PCM module, the fault codes will be displayed on the side. If the VIN is not found, you can manually select the manufacturer and your model, and the fault code will immediately appear at the top. Additionally, X431 Fix includes repair causes, electronic circuits, TSBs, technical service bulletins, and more to assist you with your repairs. X431 Fix database provides Heinz Pro data. You won't find this in any other tools. Professional maintenance guided for passenger car and light truck, which helps users to determine cars precisely with references. Note, you can buy it in the mall service. 5-year warranty. Launch X431 PRO3S Plus Elite Bluetooth scanner comes with 2-year software updates, 5-year warranty, 90-day no reason return and replacement policy, lifetime free 24/7 365 support, 2-year update. Launch X431 PRO3S Plus Elite all-in-one scan tool always allows you to fix errors with one click via Wi-Fi and new vehicles and add new vehicles to its coverage. It keeps up with modern vehicles, saving you significant amount of money on software updates. Better yet, you can continue using this OBD2 scanner without needing to renew your subscription. This is the biggest difference compared to using diagnostics tools from Bosch or Snap-on. Yeah, this is a good thing. Even though you run out of the 2-year subscriptions, you can continue using this tool, which is great. Sometimes it's going to actually prompt you to log into your Wi-Fi network if you haven't logged in a while, and then it will continue letting you use the tool. So you could see that in the next slide right here, launch X431 PRO3S plus Elite SmartlinkC 2025 all-in-one full featured scan tool. So it's got like basically like the operating system, which is like Android 10, 2.4 gigahertz, 4 core, 10.1 display, and on and on and on. It tells 6300 milliamp battery, 8 megapixel camera. You got the dual Wi-Fi's, 2.4 and 5 hertz. And it also got a memory card, 4G/64 gigabyte. Okay, interesting. I don't know if that's true. I'll have to look at my unit. That'd be cool if that's the case, because you could just swap in another one, because it looks like it's just like a closed system. But anyways, ECU coding, J2534 coding, CANFD/DOIP FCA, AutoAuth /Renault SGW access, VAG guided, OBD1, OBD2 full set connectors, super remote diagnose all services functions plus 50 plus typology mapping, bidirectional scanning, SmartlinkC, visual operation interface, work with launch X431 PRO3S plus Elite, hardware and functions upgrade, more stable and faster transmissions, supports 24-volt commercial vehicles, optional module passenger vehicles, new energy, and more. So it definitely repeats itself a lot, which is kind of good, because you could look at the pictures. Some people look at the pictures and they read off them. Some people read the actual stuff. I typically just look at the pictures and just kind of like see like what I'm looking at. But the cool thing is it does have J2534 programming with SmartLink C 2.0, which makes things a little bit faster when it comes to programming. And right here it says put data to new module, upgrade ECU software version, repair ECU with data loss, compatible with Volkswagen, GM, Chrysler, Benz, etc. OEM software download, USB Type A to Type B adapter. Okay, this says works with SmartlinkC. Now this shows the typology mapping tree, which shows which point of failure it has happened and how it all relates to where the signal is going, what modules are along the way, which could fail if one thing, is not working. This does give you the ability to just diagnose the full system. You could also do ECU online coding, match/learn/code the newly replaced ECUs. Put VIN into replacement PCM. Write a VIN to the new ECU. Recode replacement to the car. Perform a transmission quick relearn. I mean, this is great. I mean, you could actually make your ECU's version, maybe possibly from like another vehicle, okay, maybe if the numbers are matching, whatever, and then just make it version, and then just write like new code. Like, it's really, really cool. There's definitely too much to get into, but the cool thing is this is very user-friendly because it is a bidirectional control, and basically you could just go through all the modules. Things are easy to understand. Now, this right here is probably going to ring a bell with most of you guys. Look, 60 plus maintenance functions. You got key program, which is already a big deal. ABS bleeding, battery register, which you need to do with the BMWs, maybe other vehicles. Oil reset, SAS reset, EPB reset, so like for parking brakes, TPMS reset, DPF regeneration, which is very important, especially on my channel with the diesel Sprinter vans. Injector coating, again, you need that with everything. Throttle matching, crank/camshaft relearn, transmission relearn, All of these things. Um, Look at that. Let's see what's in the box, and then it shows everything else. Some units are even more money. This is definitely very good. Um, I'm just gonna like read one of the reviews here. Everything you need in one scanner. Best Android, best scanner. Update. This scanner does allow access to the Android home screen and does have Google Play Store. The Google Play Store allows me to install Android apps and tools to use like email, photo editor, screen recorder, and third-party hardware. Um, Thermal imager, which is cool. Yeah, they do sell like a thermal imager, and you could connect to it. I'm a career flag rate mechanic and love using the X431 to scan, diagnose, program, and reset codes. I assume you've read the X431 description, but now you want to validate your purchase. Is it worth it? Well, let me explain how I use the X431 daily to make me extra money repair vehicles. Every vehicle, I guess, that enters the service department requires a multi-point inspection before any customer concerns are addressed. After the multi-point, I address customers' concern and suggest maintenance and repairs based on vehicle mileage, vehicle age, and worn components. Most mechanics use this vehicle scanner to only scan vehicles with concerns. I use the X431 to scan every vehicle. While performing my multi-point inspection and looking under the vehicle, I can wirelessly scan the vehicles for current and or historical problems. Not all codes generate a check engine light. Once completed, I email the vehicle scan to the client along with the multi-point inspection and or suggested services and repair. This added service, free scan to my multi-point inspection, has built trust and respect with my clients. Could you use the same strategy with other scanners? Well, yeah, but the X431 makes the process fast and simple. I do not need to stay in the vehicle during the scan because the OBD2 interface is wireless. The tablet stays on my toolbox. Once the OBD2 interfaced VCI is installed, the X431 auto-detects the vehicle VIN and runs on all scan. With a click of a button after the scan, I can send a report with the same screen on the tool. Other scanners make you export the scan to PDF, then save to the thumb device / cloud, then email it to the client. Time is money. Here are some great examples of courtesy all scans making me money. 2015 Honda Civic, I found a code for the alternator output load. The code was historical, but the key cycle ID was recent. I informed the customer of my findings and suggest an alternator test. The vehicle has over 125,000 miles, so the odds on the alternator is slowing, I guess slowly failing exist. Using an amp clamp and DVM, I monitored the alternator amp / volt output, then used X431 to change the alternator output. The alternator performance test failed. When I set the output to max, the alternator was replaced and I replaced the test to demonstrate the new alternator did fix the problem. Some will say turning on all the vehicle loads is the same thing, but disagree. The X431 Bi-Directional ensures the engine control module commands the alternator to output 1 hour diagram 1.5 hour alternator replacement. 2017 F250 King Ranch Edition all scan revealed a problem with the automatic running board on the driver and passenger side. The vehicle is equipped with runner boards that extend when you open a door and retract when you close the door. When the running boards are retracted, they have a seamless look. And I missed it all first glance. The customer just brought the truck and didn't know these running boards were a feature. I upsold 1 hour diagnostics to determine the fault and quickly learned each motor was unplugged. Plugging each motor back in did make the code change to historical, but running boards didn't operate correctly. When I opened the doors using the X431, I used the bidirectional support feature to command the running boards up and down. This proves the circuit from the computer to the running board motor is good, but physical switch that commands the running boards to drop has a problem. I discovered each door had a problem with the latches due to the previous hail damage repair. I replaced the door latches and the problem was resolved. 1 hour diagnosed, 4 hours door lock replacement times 4. 2015 Subaru Forester, the check engine light was on, but the customer didn't mention the light being on. My scan revealed PO420 for the Bank 1 catalyst. The customer assured they know about the code and they've cleared it several times. They just don't have the 2500 to replace the catalyst. I then responded by saying, did you a PO420 test perform? Because a PO420 code is not a part number. The customer approved the diagnostics using the X431. I discovered the front O2 sensor was reacting slow. I used the screen recorder function and sent the graph data to the client via email. Over the phone, I walked the customer through the video and explained the diagnostics procedure I performed. The front O2 sensor was replaced and the readiness monitor all checked green. 1 hour diagnostics, 2 hours O2 sensor replacement. I also use the X431 to perform all the advertised service functions, services, resets, and bidirectional support every day without problem. I just want to show you how this tool can make money before the customer has a complaint. My customer loves the service and they've been more accepting of purchasing tune-ups, flushes, and other services. So that's all I'm going to read. If you guys are interested, you could go and read some more of this type of stuff, like as far as the reviews goes. But this is definitely a great unit. I'm really happy that I bought it because I am a mobile mechanic and this is really important. Of course, I already know a lot, but there's certain things that I still need to get and I'm still learning. So some of this other stuff, like right here, you could see TPMS, I don't have that. Then this ADAS, I don't have that. BST360, I don't have it. Video scope, I have something else. Wi-Fi printing, that's kind of cool. Current clamp, don't have it. Heavy duty trucks diagnose, don't really need it. S2-2 sensor box, O2 to like oscilloscope. So I don't have that either. Now everything else right here, like at the bottom, it is included in the vehicle, but there's additional things that you could buy for it, which is kind of great. And you could be professional. I actually really like the fact that you could actually email customers your diagnostics report. That really helps. You could email a report before the repair and after. And yeah, this tool actually can make you money. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself.